Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. In the chat section, tap on the pencil icon from the top right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the new group option. Scroll through your contacts to find the users you want to add to the group. Once you locate them, tap on their names to select them. After selecting your contacts, tap on the next button at the top right corner. Give your group chat a name that reflects its purpose. Finally, tap on the Create button in the top right corner to save your changes. And this is how you can create a group chat on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.